What's up, guys? It's Travis with Gray Flame RC Studios. Today's video, I wanted to bring you guys in and give you a how-to on installing the slash cut pipes that I've done for the Redcat COE. So let me bring you in for a closer look. Go from the factory style to a clean, unique custom piece. And if you didn't want these that tall, I cut them long on purpose in case people want to shorten them down. And you would just simply take and just cut the end off, and that would bring the whole stack down if you didn't want them as tall as that. Okay, so in preparation to put your slash cut stacks on your rig, I measured about 7 1/4 inches down and then made my cut right there. So once that is cut, you're left with that. And what you do, put your insert in there. That's provided in the kit. And then simply take your slash cut pipe, slide it down through the hole, through your little clip, and then onto your adapter. Gives it a nice clean look. You could even leave it like that if you wanted to, or after you get your heat shields done and bent with your clips on them, just simply push it on. Alright, so in the kit you'll get a heat shield jig. I don't know if you can see that or not. And what you do, you get 2 different color heat shields, and all you do is take and slide it. There's a slot right here. You just slide this piece into the slot. Make sure it's evenly in there. Make sure it's even down through here and up against each end. And what you want to do is set your jig down and just roll it forward. Press pretty hard. You can even pick it up and bend it some more yourself. After you get done, just slide it out, and you'll have your curved heat shield to put onto your stacks. Now in the kit, I give you the adapters. This side is to go down into the when you cut the pipe, your factory pipe, and then the other side is to slide up in the stacks. After you've bent the piece, the heat shield, just put your clips where you want them on here. Drill you 2 holes and put you a screw and a washer in there to hold it on there. Here's the finished product. All right, we'll do the silver color so you can see the process again. Just slide it in there, make sure it's even across there and it's touching the base of the jig. Set it down, press firmly, and just roll it until you get it completely formed. Alright, and slide it off and you'll have another one. So the stack kit is available over on my website, gfrcdesign.online. I'll put a link in the description to the website where you could pick up this kit. And like I said, it comes with everything you need.